Friends, today I'll be sharing with you on the topic mastering self discipline, your key to success. One of the most powerful and underrated keys to success in life, business, ministry, and personal growth is self discipline. It's not talent, not charisma, not even passion, but the ability to say no to distractions and yes to your destiny. In a world that promotes instant gratification, self discipline is a kingdom principle that separates those who wish from those who win. What is self discipline first? Self discipline is God's given ability to control your impulses, stay focused on a purpose, and remain committed to what's right, even when it's hard. In First Corinthians chapter 9, from verse 25 down to verse 27, he said, "And every man that striveth for the mastery is temperate in all things. I keep under my body and bring it into subjection." So Paul compares life to a race. Those who win are intentional and restrained. No success is accidental, it requires mastery. So why you need self-discipline? Let's outline. First, to fulfill your purpose. You can't be effective in your calling without discipline. Even Jesus fasted, prayed, and stayed focused. In Luke chapter 9 and verse 51, he steadfastly set his face to go to Jerusalem. Secondly, to overcome temptation. Temptation is inevitable, but falling is optional. Self discipline is not bondage, it's freedom with direction. Master it, and you master your future. In James chapter 4 and verse 7, submit yourself therefore to God, resist the devil, and he will flee from you. Thirdly, to build consistency, discipline turns inspiration into daily actions. In Proverbs chapter 13 and verse 4, he said, "The soul of the sluggard desireth and hath nothing, but the soul of the diligent shall be made fat." So there are keys to divine self-discipline. First, you have to start small. Don't try to conquer the world in a day. Begin with waking up on time, praying daily, or staying off social media during work hours. Secondly, you have to make God your accountability partner. Invite the Holy Spirit to help you. In Galatians chapter 5 and verse 22 to 23. So the fruit of the Spirit is temperance, which is equals to self-control. Thirdly, have clear goals. Self-discipline thrives when vision is clear. In Habakkuk chapter 2 and verse 3, say, write the vision and make it plain. The fourth is reward progress. Don't idolize perfection. Celebrate growth. God isn't looking for perfection, He is after progress and obedience. And in conclusion, success doesn't come by chance, it comes by choice. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you are moving one step closer to your God given destiny. In Proverbs chapter 25, verse 28, it says, "He that hath no rule over his own spirit is like a city that is broken down and without walls." And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to all of our social media handles at bros underscore J underscore 001 on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and YouTube. And don't forget to tag along anyone that you feel will need to hear this. God bless you.